Today we're making simple string beans with almonds for an easy side dish that feels classic, savory, and full of flavor. Fresh string beans, sliced almonds, garlic, and a few simple seasonings come together quickly in this warm and flavorful dish. Start by cooking the string beans until they become bright green and slightly tender while still keeping a little bite. Garlic adds a simple savory flavor that works perfectly with the fresh green beans and toasted almonds. The sliced almonds bring a warm, toasted crunch that gives this simple dish a little extra texture and flavor. A little parsley at the end keeps everything tasting fresh, balanced, and easy to pair with almost any meal. Simple ingredients, warm flavor, and a little crunch make this one easy to come back to anytime. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.